Hi everyone, we're Neurolytics. We're an AI-powered suite of technologies for MRI analysis and 3D renditions. Our target audience are doctors who have trouble getting peer-reviewed diagnoses and med students who need MRI training, such as radiologists. Let's actually see Neurolytics in action. We are able to upload an MRI scan and parse it through Gemini's visual capabilities to see if there's any tumors, what type of tumors, gray matter loss, and any diagnosis data we may need. Here we can see the MRI scan that we got, and here we can actually prompt our chatbot. So let's see what kind of tumor is present, if any. Once we hit submit prompt, our chatbot will give us back a large tumor is present in the cerebellum, likely a glioma tumor, but there's also a possibility of a medulloblastoma tumor, especially in younger patients. We can actually go to our history, where we will save this response and other previous responses for later research. So here we have our previous tumor with a timestamp. And we actually go and see a 3D rendition that we loaded earlier. So if we go over to this quickly, we actually see a 3D rendition of the brain, the arteries, and the tumor used with a marker. We're able to drag it around and see where that tumor is present and if it's obscured by anything such as arteries. In history, we're able to go and click on one of our previous scans, and if we do that, it brings us back to our chatbot and gives a new context. So here we ask, is there a tumor? We can see that a tumor is not present. Now, Neurolytics is meant to be HIPAA compliant, so we use an S3 bucket to store all of our images and context, and all these are encrypted using S3 preset keys with server-side encryption.